It doesn't hurt, Drake. He thought it would hurt. It doesn't hurt. Just keep your eyes shut nice and lightly. Oh, that's different.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Oh, I've never seen that kind where you don't use the strips. You don't use strips.
This is the photosensitive.
Oh.
Is that it?
Oh yeah, that's great.
That sucks, Mom.
It's okay. You only have 2 more.
That hurts so bad.
Price of beauty.
Ow! Ow!
Dude, get back.
Here, hold it.
Hold it, look, Drake.
You will see how your hair looks like.
Oh my god! I'm crying. Oh, here you go.
Just hold it.
There's more?
Yeah, between.
No.
One more, let me know.
Okay, good.
Ow.
Okay, close your eyes, honey. Just relax.
Okay. Not yet. It's kind of...
You're fine. Dab your eyes. Just a little. Go. The situation has to go through this. And Pauly D's.
Ow. 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 Ow.
No, don't do that because you do that. The skin is tight. I mean, it's
Yeah.
like that. It gets hurt more.
There's more?
No.
You know.
She's telling you not to do that. It's not nice. Don't say that.
Ow.
Looks better.